Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pepin County, southeastern Pierce County, southern Dunn County, southwestern Chippewa County, western Eau Claire County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Downsville, or 10 miles south of Menominee, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eau Claire, Menominee, Chippewa Falls, Altoona, Lake Holly, Lake Wissota, Durant, Colfax, Elk Mound, Pepin, Elmwood, and Old Galley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.